I have a 2008 Prius that I don't want to let go, and I don't want to spend over $1,000 for a Cadillac converter. Now, I just left the dealership and spent over $3,000 for suspension work, and now my check engine light came on. So we're going to try out this product and see what it does. It's called CATACLEAN, and it's supposed to work really good. It says restores and maintains your exhaust and fuel system. It's supposed to basically restore performance and improves MPG and reduces emissions. So we're going to see how it works. It says it cleans as you drive. It says cleans oxygen sensors, cleans fuel sensors, injectors, cleans cylinder heads. So we're going to go ahead and try it out. The directions are as stated. So it says empty contents of the bottle into the fuel tank at 1/4 or approximately 4 gallons. Drive normally for about 10 to 15 miles, then refuel. Use 2 to 4 times per year for optimal performance. And then it says performance results are dependent on the driver's habits and vehicle condition. So let's check it out. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys the check engine light, and then I've already set my tripometer to 0. Now let's go ahead and add the CATACLEAN. All right, so now that we got this in there, we're gonna go ahead and take it for a drive and see what happens. All right, so I just wanna show you guys an update. The check engine light is no longer on, and that came off at about 53 miles. In the description of this video, there's gonna be a link to where you can get the product on Amazon.